Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss another increase for SNAP. And guys, this is 10%, but it's coming in 2024. We're also going to talk about replacement benefits for one state. We have now more money that's being automatically added to cards as well. And then an unexpected $20.01. We have the October increase and more, my darling. So if you want to know what is going on in the lovely world of EBT, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me bringing this content to you. Now, you guys know that I am in nail tech school and I'm trying to balance everything out, but I am bringing you this content. Now, if you are an EBT recipient or not, you can try out Amazon Prime free for 30 days. All you have to do is click the link in the description box. I'll go ahead and pin a comment down below as well because, guys, we all need some Amazon in our life. I mean, I'm telling you, the holidays are coming up. You can get everything on Amazon. And if you do have an EBT card, when I tell you, you can buy food, you can buy toys, you can buy all the things. But stay tuned for those videos because I want you to definitely try out Amazon Prime as well. Now, let's go ahead and talk about it, guys, because word on the street is that Florida already started issuing out their EBT payments early. Now, I don't know what's going on in Florida, right? Because, you know, Florida just do what Florida does. But as of right now, according to the good old internet, they said to check your cards because Florida has issued those payments early. So if you are in the Sunshine State, drop some sunshine emojis down below just to brighten up my day as well as yours. And let me know if you got paid early today, all right? But let's go ahead and move on to this SNAP boost because we all can use an extra 10% in 2024. All right, so drum roll, please. SNAP recipients are expected to get a boost in DC from the District of Columbia's funding. So district residents who receive government assistance to buy groceries, you will see a boost in your SNAP benefits after the DC Council said that it expects to spend $40 million in excess revenue in 2024 to help low-income families. Now, this will boost the SNAP program benefits by 10% from January through September of 2024 to help more than 145,000 recipients feed their families. So, Christina Henderson, she spearheaded this proposal and it's called Give SNAP a Raise. I'm with you, girl. For the people. Now, she brought this before the council in 2022. Then the bill became a law in March and is expected to go into effect in January. Now, this is a temporary boost, guys, but they will add another $20 million in direct cash assistance to workers who are unable to qualify for federal unemployment, or maybe you did not receive any federal pandemic aid as well. So, for 9 months in 2024, if you stay in DC, you're going to get an additional 10% raise as well, and then cash assistance. You can't beat that. Like, let me know, guys, if you are in DC, what do you think? Now, I know a lot of you guys were not happy about the October 1st increase. Some people said they got an additional $11, $13. I think the highest I seen was about $60 that someone received. But now you're going to get another 10% as well if you stay in DC. And I hope that states continue this trend because, you know, all it takes is one. Okay? Everybody else can say no, but once you get that one yes, it makes all the difference, guys. And so, hey, go ahead, Christina. I'm glad that you have spearheaded this initiative. Let me know, what do you think about the extra 10%? Also, what do you think about the Give SNAP a Raise legislation? I think it needs to be in all the states, nationwide. Don't just start with DC. All right, let's go ahead and move on to Georgia, where my Georgia peaches at. Drop some peach emojis down in those comments. All right, Georgia peaches, all my Georgia peaches, I need for you to go ahead and check your cards because the U.S. Department of Agriculture Food and Nutrition Services has given the green light to the Georgia Department of Human Services Division and Family Children Services as well. Now, they are going to issue 50% of mass replacement of SNAP benefits. That's right, 50%. Now, this is for households that were affected in 17 Georgia counties. I'll go ahead and list those on the screen. The waiver request was approved by the USDA, and it pertains to these counties as well. Now, this initiative aims to streamline the process for households that were affected by the recent events in these areas, ensuring that they receive replacement food benefits without having to visit like your local office or even calling or even signing any affidavits attesting to the food law. So this replacement benefit is going to be automatically loaded onto your EBT cards for SNAP households as well. Now, you had to be receiving SNAP benefits between August 15th and August 30th in these counties that I have listed on the screen as well. But you getting some money. Okay, you are getting some money, Georgia. So, hey, check your cards as well. Next, we are headed to Monroe County, New York, as well as California, where they are dealing with a lot of EBT theft. So there has been an uptick in this region. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, they have seen an increase of clients reporting that their SNAP or even temporary cash assistance accounts have been compromised within the last week. Now, they said it was over like 60,000 households that have been affected as well. This is a problem that's going on nationwide, but in New York, they said the county is working to restore benefits as soon as possible for those that have been affected. Now, in the meantime, if you have an EBT card, they are advising you to closely monitor like your transactions, report any type of suspicious activity on your account immediately as well. The county is also trying to streamline their benefit replacement application process, and they anticipate that there's going to be some potential issues as well. But if you need any type of assistance or even replacement benefits, you are required to fill out the benefit replacement form as well. So this is going on in California and New York, but also in California. Californian households recently received an unexpected cash deposit of $20.01. Now, it was on their cards, and a lot of people were puzzled about where did this extra $20 come from, but we're going to spend it, right? We're not giving y'all money back, right? We just not doing that in 2023. Now, the additional cash that was on your cards is a one-time yearly Heat and Eat benefit that is available for CalFresh recipients. Now, this is like a law that was established. It's very detailed, right? But according to the federal law, the state can increase food benefits for certain households who receive CalFresh, but then they also qualify for like heating assistance under the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, also known as LIHEAP as well. So in such cases, the state will add an additional $20.01 or a different amount to your card as a separate deposit, and you can use this amount to buy non-food items, or you can even withdraw cash from this as well. So, hey, if you are in California or New York and your benefits have been stolen, go ahead and fill out that replacement benefit form. But this is happening nationwide. And if you're in California and you got an additional $20, well, you can eat better tonight, okay? All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on to another story, which is, of course, the military. All right, so a new study has found that many veterans go hungry and they are not getting help through food stamps. So Research and Rand Corporation sought to determine how many of the veterans are food insecure, meaning that they have like limited access to safe and adequate food supply, and whether those who go hungry are even accessing like any type of assistance programs. Now, we talked about food stamps and military a lot. You guys know that I am a veteran, but the survey did determine that participation rates were lowest among veterans that were 70 years old and older, those that had mental or physical disabilities, or those who were unable to work because of their injury or illness now with this report. So The researchers said that more of the study is needed to determine why veterans don't sign up for food stamps in the face of food insecurity, but they've had several theories on why they're not signing up. And one is like, maybe it's the way that the states are calculating their income for food stamp eligibility. So I want to say, like, back in March, you know, like for those that were active duty and them calculating like their BAH as well. So now they're looking to see, like, could the VA help increase food insecurity screenings for veterans who receive like VA health care, and encourage states to adopt policies that would encourage participation in SNAP as well. So I'll keep you updated, because you guys know that I'm a vet and this one is near and dear. But if you do know a vet and they're not receiving food assistance, let them know to go ahead and try, okay? Next, we are headed to Tennessee, where the Tennessee Department of Health and Human Services posted on their website that the pandemic EBT for COVID-19, it did end this year on May 11th, and that was the end of the federal public health emergency. But families can utilize the benefits up to 274 days following their last EBT distribution. And the parent portal, they will still keep available until March 29th of 2024. So you can call and like check your balances. You can check like the back of your EBT card for the website, and you can go and do all these things as well. But you can go to the Tennessee.gov and look and for the assistance. So they're saying that this hotline will be available through December 31st of 2023. If you need to reach someone, or say maybe you did not receive your benefits, you can go through that. But as of March or April of 2024, they're going to go ahead and decide to close that down as well. So if you are still waiting on your benefits or haven't received your benefits at all, go ahead and take advantage of that. And I'm pretty sure most states will start doing that as well, because the 274 days will be coming up. And this is what we have, guys. This is what we have going on in the lovely world of EBT. Thank you all so much that commented on my dress that I wore the other day. It's a super cute dress. I thought, you guys know I sell clothes. You know I do it all. So I will be selling that dress today. It's just a Guns N' Roses type of day and t-shirt. But hey, no matter what you get, it's still me. So thank you so much for all the compliments and the different things. I tried to reply back to as many people as I could. But yeah, let me know, what do you think about the extra deposits that California had deposited? What do you think about DC stepping up and giving an additional 10% for the next 9 months into 2024? Was the increase on October 1st good for you or not? Did Florida receive their benefits early? Let me know all the things down below, as well as, are these months flying by or not? Like, guys, I can't believe we're in October. Before you know it, Christmas will be here, and then it's tax time, baby, that Monday. So let me know all the things down below. Grab you some Amazon Prime. You're gonna need it this holiday season. Thank me later. Just go ahead and grab it. Sign up free for 30 days. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys. Y'all, I am judging a kids entrepreneur contest tomorrow. So I am one of the guest judges. I'm super excited because I just want to see the type of businesses that these children have developed, and maybe I get to try out some food. But this is going to be super interesting. So if you guys want to see something like this, let me know, because I can record it. But I think it's super cute. And yeah, that's all I have. Bye, y'all.